I'll be comparing Siri on iOS 6 versus Siri on iOS 26. They are almost 14 years apart. I have an iPhone 5 which is running on iOS 6.1, and the last stable version of iOS 6 was 6.1.6, so this one is pretty close. While this is an iPhone 17 Pro Max, which is currently on the latest iOS 26.5 release candidate. Let's see if after all these years, Siri got smarter, dumber, or it remained the same. First, I'll ask some basic questions. What's the weather like in Berlin? So, Siri on iOS 6 searches Google for the weather, while Siri on iOS 26 gives a correct answer. Next, I'll ask, what are some upcoming new movies? So, Siri on iOS 6 does a great job. It shows upcoming new movies in this nice looking card. The release date is shown just under the name, while movie rating is displayed right next to it. If I tap on a movie, it shows me some more information like what's the runtime, what's the story like. The whole album art just looks so beautiful here. While Siri on iOS 26 gives a useless web search result. I don't know if this is just in my region. I even tried to ask it, what are some upcoming new movies in the US? And it asked to use chatbot for this simple task. I'm really disappointed on this. Next, I'll ask, distance to the moon? Okay, so here iOS 6 is giving us a web search result, while Siri on iOS 26 is giving the right answer here, with a moon image that is picked up from Wikipedia. Now let's ask about some location-based questions. What are some good coffee shops in New York City? So iOS 6 shows us some coffee shops. It mentions the address and rating of each coffee shop. When I tap on a coffee shop, it opens up Apple Maps. While iOS 26 wants to use chatbot for such a simple task, I hope Apple really makes some good changes to iOS 27. Such simple tasks shouldn't be using a third-party chatbot. Where is Mount Fuji?
Okay, here's what I found.
Once again, iOS 6 did a better job. Although Apple Maps are not working here as Apple has stopped supporting this version of iOS. But Siri on iOS 26 still wants to use chatbot, or it's telling me to do a web search instead. Now let's see how both perform for different tasks. Remind me tomorrow to start workout at 5 a.m.
Okay.
Both did the job here pretty well, but iOS 6 has that nice graphical interface. It also has an option to remove, while it's not there on iOS 26. Now, what if I want to cancel my last added reminder? Cancel my last added reminder. Well, both are giving the same response here. By the way, I'm surprised they didn't change the wording even after 14 years. Next, I'll ask, start the timer for 1 minute. Both did the job here. Here we have that skeuomorphic timer, while on iOS 26 it is quite minimal and flat. It also uses dynamic island. Let's try to stop it. Stop the timer. I think both perform good here. Next, I'll ask it to open an app. Open the camera app. So iOS 6 says there's no camera app on my phone, while it's literally sitting there at the top. iOS 26 just did what I said. And that was a small comparison between Siri on iOS 6 versus iOS 26. Let me know what do you think about this comparison. Hopefully I'll do a similar comparison video once iOS 27 is out. And with that said, I'll catch you in the next one.